Hello, my students. My name is Barkha Goyal. Today, I will discuss here a Vedic mathematics session, a small session for basic calculation of square, guys. Okay. First of all, we know the what is the Vedic mathematics. It's a basic calculation, guys, without using any calculator. It's a simple mental exercise, nothing else. But it's a very broad concept. But today we discuss here just a small session for a square without doing multiplication of any number. We use the tricks, very small tricks, simplest method always. We have to find the square. Okay, guys. Then how to find the square? We have to learn some basic things if you want to calculate the square of any number without taking a minute. Okay. First of all, you have to learn the square of 1 to 35. It is a basic requirement, guys. If you learn these square, you have to calculate any square after 35 and go on. Okay, simple. So first of all, in this video, we have to calculate the square in the range of 36 to 70. And for the next videos, we discuss after 70. But without multiplying the method with the help of short tricks according to Vedic mathematics. Okay, Vedic mathematics is a basic requirement of present time. Just because to face the competition world, we have to know what is Vedic mathematics. We know simple mathematics, but we have to know Vedic mathematics also, guys. Okay, now we move on the next condition. Then how to calculate the square. Okay, तो first of all हमें क्या है, हमें 1 to 35 के square learn करने guys, and these are the squares. Quickly taking a screenshot that we move on the next slide. Okay, then we move on the next. We have to learn the square, and after that find the square in the range of 36 to 70. What we do, we have to categorize in a two way. Okay, guys, that the ways 50 plus and 50 minus means 36 to 50 category 1 and 50 to 70 category second. Clear, guys? But one thing that is very important to calculate the square is a base value. And what is the base value, guys? The square between 36 to 70, we have to know the base value, that is 25. We do any calculation in 25, not any other number. If we want to add, we add in 25. If we want to less, we less in between from 25. Okay, then take any number. The number is 41. We want to calculate the square of 41. Then what is the first step, guys? You learn the step and you find the answer. Don't learn the digit. Okay, first we do find the number, that is the 41. How much is less than 50? 41 is less than 50 by 9. Then what we do? 9 subtracted from 25. Then we got 16. Then what is the next step? After that, you have to put always two digit, exactly two digit, not one, not three. You have to put only two digit, guys. And what is the two digit, guys? It's a square of the number that is less than 50, and that is 9. And the 9 square is 81. 81 carry two digit. We have to place two digit, and 81 is two digit is absolutely perfect. But we don't carry a two digit, then what we do? Then let's take another example, guys. Number is 49. Then what we do? We take how much is less than 50? That is 1. Then what we do? 25 minus 1, that is 24, and they put two digit of the square, that is 1, just because 1 is less than क्या है 49 is less than 50 by 1. Then 1 square is also 1. We got only one digit number. Then what we do, guys? 1 is put two places. In what manner? In this manner, 0 1. Clear? Then we have to gain three digit. If we have three digit, then what we do is take an example, guys. Let's take an example, that is 37. You can take 36, you can take 39, whatever you want, guys. You are free. Okay, calculation है, कोई रॉकेट साइंस नहीं है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हमें क्या करना है, वी हैव टू टेक हाउ मच इज लेस देन 50, दैट इज 13. तो व्हाट इज द सेकंड स्टेप, 25 minus 13, that is 12. Then what we do after that, place 2 digit of the square, that is 13. But 13 square carry 169, 3 digit number. Then what we do, put the last 2 digit number, and after that one, where is one? One is added in the previous number, backsided. Okay, then what we get, 1369. It's absolutely simple, guys. Okay, clear hai? If anyone has doubt, then raise your hand. We also try my best to क्या query clear करना है. Okay, then we move, simply just method is apply and 50 plus, like we have to find the square, 56 square, then how much is less than 6? So 25 plus 6, because 25 is a basic value, and we put the square of 6 just because 6 is higher than 50. Okay, so 6 square is 36, place as 2 place, guys. Then what we have, if not getting 2 digit, then 51. How much is less than 51 is 1, 50 say. Okay, so 25 plus 1, 26, but square of 1 is 1, but we put 2 digit, then 0, 1. Then what we do, carry 3 digit or 4 or much more, then what we do, we add, how much is less than, it is less than 11, more than, sorry, 11. Then add 11 and 25, that is 36, guys. And then square we put is 11, 121, guys. So we put last 2 digit in the last and other is previous, then add all the number, then we got the square of 61. Okay, guys, clear? I hope it's a simple basic concept and you know all their concepts. I hope you like the small session and small video. If you have any doubt, you can comment me. Okay, and then next class we also try to resolve your query. Okay, I hope ये concepts सभी को clear हो गए हैं. First of all, you have to learn the square 1 to 35. After that, you are able to do this all the concept. Okay, in next class we will discuss the square after 70, that is 70 to 100, and 100 is the basic term to find any calculation in the infinity terms. Okay, guys. Okay, I hope you like the videos and the concept clear. Okay, bye bye. Thank you.